Hey guys, it's Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a Wicked for Good or Wicked inspired makeup tutorial. I'm so excited for Wicked for Good to come out. Me and my sister are like shaking in our boots, just waiting for it to come out. And I know it's coming out yesterday. Like, this is on Friday, but I'm filming this beforehand. So I know it probably came out already, and if you guys watched it, let me know what you guys think down below. I'll be going to see it this Saturday. So anyways, yeah, if you guys want to see my Wicked inspired makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, as you guys can see, I already have my holiday decorations up. I just was feeling very festive. I might add some stuff to it. I might move the tree to the other side, move this tree to the other side so you can see it better. But yeah, I already have. And look at my little Christmas village. Isn't that so cute? So yeah, I'm excited for that, and I'm excited for some holiday videos. But let's talk about today's video. I'm really excited for today's video because I love Wicked. I'll admit I haven't seen the play, but the movie is just top tier to me. I love the movie. I'm excited to see the second one, like I said in the intro. I'm just priming my eyelids with this Makeup Revolution, Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer. So I'm just setting my eyelids with that. And then I'm going to take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder on this Morphe brush, and I'm just going to set my eyelids with that. So obviously I'm going to be doing like a pink and green eye. I was thinking if I should do pink on one eye and green on the other eye, but I think I want to do both on one eye just to like really bring it together. Like, I don't know, I feel like I want to do that. So first we're going to take the Beauty Bay EYN Bright palette, and we're going to take Tutu, and we're going to put that on the outer corner of our eye. Let's pull out the big guns, the nice bedazzled mirror. Oh, and I'm using the Morphe M441 brush. Now I'm gonna Make Them Wink from that palette and just put it in the same spot, just to brighten this up some more. Now we're gonna move over to this Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette. We're gonna take the darkest pink in the pink row on a M506 brush and just put that on the outer corner of our eye as well, but lower than the other shades, just to like darken this up some. Now we're gonna take the Beauty Bay palette again, and we're gonna take Granny Smith, and we're basically just going to put that on the inner corner of our eye and start blending that out. We're leaving a space in the middle, so this is kind of like a halo eye. Oh, and I'm using the M506 brush for Granny Smith in the inner corner. Now I'm going to take Oasis and just put that under that green shade with that same brush. Now I'm going to take Labyrinth and just put that under it as well. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to take the last green in the green row and put that into the crease. I'm going to take this Juvia's Place like fluffy pointed brush and just make sure this is nice and blended out. Now we're going to take Frosted Lime, and we're basically just going to put that on the middle of the eye, but more towards the green shade. And then we're going to take Candid Candy Floss, which is a pink shimmer shade, and put that on the outer part of the eye, like in the middle, but more towards the pink, if that makes sense. Like this. This is so pretty. Okay. Now we're going to take a black eyeliner and do a wing eyeliner. This is gorgeous. I'm so in love with it. Look at it. I'm trying to think if I want to do like some gems. I think I might, so let me just look. Hold on. So we're gonna do some gems. I'm basically just gonna put some pink on the pink side and some green on the green side. Or should I switch it up and do green on the pink and pink on the green? I think I'm gonna do like regular. So I just did my other eye and my face and all that good stuff off camera. I kind of brought the blush under my eyes a little bit. I want to add a little bit more. I want it to be really like pinky kind of under my eyes. So I'm just going to add a little bit more. Okay. And now we're going to do the under eyes. So first we're going to take a M421 brush and we're going to take 22 and we're going to put that under our eye, under our outer corner of our eye. We're going to make them wink. And also basically the same colors that we used at the top. And then wipe off that brush. And then we're just going to use Oasis. And then we're going to take the shimmer shades again. So Frosted Lime and Candy Floss. And put those in the middle. Sorry, could you guys see what I was doing? Now I'm going to take a little bit of Frosted Lime and put that on our nose. Just to give like a little bit of like green highlight to the face. Also going to put it on our Cupid's bow. And we're going to take Candy Floss and put that under our brow bone. For lips, I think I'm just going to do like a nude lip because I don't want to overwhelm this beautiful look. So I'm going to take the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Downtown Beauty and line my lips with this. And then I'm going to take some concealer and just put it in the middle of my lips. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and put on a lash and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished Wicked makeup look. I am honestly so obsessed with it. I love it so much. I think it looks so good. Pink and green go so good together. Go well together, obviously. But yeah, I just really love the way that this turned out. I really love how the gems look. I just love how everything looks. Let me know what you guys think down below. These lashes I really like. They are the LA Color Dramatic Lash Wispy in the style Dangerous. So I like these a lot. I got these from the dollar store. Like guys, if you don't think that there's good lashes at the dollar store, go check and you can pick some really good ones. Yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys want to go see Wicked for Good and what your thoughts are about the movie. I'm so excited to go see it myself. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I'm slowly gaining more subscribers, so if you're watching this video, please subscribe because I'm trying to reach 200 subscribers by the end of the year. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.